This is Silencio. Silencio app reduce and measures noise waste. First of this kind. Pure eco-green app. Join this movement. Big Systems is already partner of Alliance and see screen how it works. Well, use the code Andy Tetri when you join and you get 200 SLC tokens freely. Just joining bonus. Alright, there is also eye drops and etc. They work perfectly. They are so much advanced last, let's say, 3 or 4 months. It's amazing. I got just enough those eye drops. Then I get basically normal weight. This is a great system and eco-friendly. That's the main purpose. So let's get some noise free tomorrow. We need this. Let's beat the guitar and reduce the sheet. What do you want? So, use code Andy Tetri.